By the end of this video, your home will be permanently uninhabitable for every common household bug, using ingredients you already own and methods that cost you nothing. Not for a few weeks. Permanently. No spray. No poison. No exterminator bill. Every treatment you have ever tried attacked the bug. This method attacks the environment. When you remove the conditions that allow bugs to survive, you do not need to kill them one by one. They cannot stay. The home itself becomes the solution. Tonight you make 3 changes. By morning the system is already working. Here is the flaw in every product you have ever purchased. They are all built on the same wrong premise. That the bug is the problem. It is not. The bug is the symptom. The environment is the problem. Every household bug enters for exactly 3 reasons. A food source. A moisture source. A narrow corridor that feels safe. Remove all 3 and your home becomes biologically uninhabitable. Commercial products never address a single one. Within 6 weeks, your problem resets completely. The pest control industry calls this reinfestation. The accurate term is unchanged conditions. The fix costs nothing, and Japan has been using it for decades. Here is exactly what it is. The method is called Kankyō Seiri, pronounced Kankyō, environmental control. Not a product. A systematic process of removing every biological reason a bug has to enter your home. Every ingredient is already in your kitchen. White vinegar, baking soda, table salt, dried bay leaves. Total cost, 0 for most households. Western households spend $347 per year on products that reset every 6 weeks. Japanese households spend nothing and maintain permanent results. You are not going to kill a single bug tonight. You are going to make your home a place where no bug can survive. Here is exactly how to do it. You are going to move through your home in a specific sequence tonight. Kitchen first, then bathrooms, then entry points, then storage areas. Each room takes under 10 minutes. The entire process takes 1 evening. After that, the maintenance ritual takes under 2 minutes per day. Start in your kitchen. Step 1. The vinegar wipe. Fill your spray bottle with undiluted white vinegar. Do not dilute it. Do not add anything to it yet. Spray every surface in your kitchen where food is prepared or stored, your countertops, the inside walls of every cabinet, the inside lip of your sink, the top of your refrigerator, and the underside of your microwave. Now wipe every surface with a clean, dry cloth. What you are doing in this step is not cleaning in the conventional sense. White vinegar, acetic acid at 5% concentration, chemically destroys the pheromone trails that every bug species uses to navigate inside your home. These trails are invisible to you, but they are the primary navigation system for every ant, cockroach, and silverfish in your home. Without the trail, a new bug entering your kitchen cannot locate the food source it came for. It cannot signal the colony. It enters, finds nothing recognizable, and leaves. This step alone will produce a visible reduction in activity within 48 hours. Do not skip the inside walls of your cabinets. This is where the trails are most concentrated, and it is the location most people never wipe. Step 2. The salt barrier. Take your table salt and pour a thin continuous line, approximately 1/4 teaspoon per linear foot, along every threshold where your kitchen meets another room. The base of the kitchen doorway. The gap beneath the cabinet that faces the exterior wall. The space behind your refrigerator where it meets the floor. Salt does not kill bugs on contact. It works through desiccation, the same mechanism as boric acid, by abrading the waxy outer layer of any insect that crosses it, causing irreversible moisture loss within 24 to 48 hours. A bug that crosses a salt barrier does not survive long enough to reproduce. You will notice the salt line is almost invisible once laid. This is correct. You are not creating a visible barrier. You are creating a molecular one. Step 3. The bay leaf placement. Take 12 dried bay leaves, available at any grocery store for under $2, though most households already own them, and place them in the following locations. 2 leaves inside each food storage cabinet, pushed to the back corners. 1 leaf underneath each appliance. Refrigerator, microwave, toaster. 1 leaf inside your pantry on each shelf. 1 leaf in the cabinet beneath your sink on each side of the pipe. Bay leaves contain eucalyptyl and linalool, 2 naturally occurring compounds that are neurologically repellent to every common household bug species. These compounds do not kill. They signal to the bug's sensory system that the environment is hostile before the bug ever enters the space. A cockroach that detects eucalyptus at the entrance of a cabinet will not enter that cabinet. An ant that detects linalool along a trail will abandon the trail entirely. You are not poisoning the environment. You are communicating with the bug's own biology in a language it cannot override. Replace the bay leaves every 30 days. The essential oil concentration diminishes after 4 weeks and the leaves lose their repellent signal. A fresh set of 12 bay leaves costs under $2 and takes 3 minutes to replace monthly. Step 4. The drain treatment. Move to your kitchen sink and your bathroom drains. Pour 3 tablespoons of baking soda directly into each drain, followed immediately by 3 tablespoons of undiluted white vinegar. You will see immediate fizzing. This is the acid-base reaction between acetic acid and sodium bicarbonate producing carbon dioxide. This reaction mechanically dislodges the organic buildup coating the inside walls of your drain pipe. That buildup, decomposing food particles, hair, soap residue, is the primary food and moisture source for drain flies, fruit flies, and cockroaches that enter through plumbing. Wait 10 minutes. Then flush with the hottest tap water available for 30 seconds. What you will notice immediately is the fizzing filling the drain cavity. What you will notice over the following 48 hours is a complete absence of the small flies that were previously hovering near your sink. The food source they were breeding in has been dissolved. Do this treatment once per week in every drain in your home. The cost per treatment per drain is approximately 2 cents. Step 5. The entry point seal. Walk every exterior wall in your home and identify every gap where a pipe, cable, or wire enters through the wall. These are not just structural imperfections. They are the primary highways through which every bug species enters your home from outside. Take your baking soda and pack a small amount, approximately half a teaspoon, into every gap you can reach. Baking soda is a mild desiccant, and its alkaline surface is chemically hostile to the soft bodies of most insect species. It will not seal the gap permanently, but it will make the gap inhospitable as an entry corridor. For gaps too large to pack, place 1 bay leaf directly inside the opening. The repellent compounds will create a chemical barrier at the entry point itself. Now your kitchen is done. Repeat the vinegar, white, salt barrier, bay leaf placement, and drain treatment in every bathroom in your home. The bathroom drain treatment is the single most important step for eliminating drain flies and silverfish, 2 species that commercial sprays almost never reach because their habitat is entirely inside the plumbing. By the time you finish every room tonight, every pheromone trail in your home will be chemically erased. Every food and moisture source accessible to bugs will be removed or treated. Every entry corridor will carry a repellent signal. The environment inside your home will have fundamentally changed. Not on the surface, at the structural level, which is the only level that produces permanent results. What you just completed is the physical expression of a philosophy called Kankyō Seiri, Kankyō, environmental cleaning, not surface cleaning. The deliberate management of conditions before they become problems. In Kyoto's giant district, 300-year-old wooden machiya townhouses should by every Western measure be overrun with pests. They are not. The families inside practice Kankyō Seiri daily. A grandmother there does not wait for a bug to appear before wiping her cabinets with rice vinegar. She understands the invisible pheromone trail is more dangerous than the bug itself. In Japanese schools, students clean their own classrooms every day, trained to inspect the invisible corners that determine the visible condition of a space. When you place those bay leaves in your cabinet corners tonight, you were not doing pest control. You were doing Kankyō Seiri. The bugs were never the problem. The conditions were. And now you have addressed the conditions. White vinegar at 5% acetic acid breaks the molecular bonds of insect pheromone trails on contact. These trails persist for weeks after the insect is dead. Tonight you destroyed the entire navigation network every bug in your home was using. Table salt works through osmotic desiccation, abrading the waxy epicuticle that keeps insects alive and drawing moisture out through osmotic pressure. Cellular function collapses within 48 hours. No insect species can evolve around a physical process. Bay leaves contain eucalyptus and linalool, compounds that trigger a hardwired neurological avoidance response in every common household insect. The insect does not choose to leave. Its nervous system compels it. 12 bay leaves placed tonight means 12 neurological stop signals installed at every location bugs concentrate. Baking soda and vinegar in your drains produces carbon dioxide forceful enough to physically strip the biofilm from your pipe walls, the food source, water source, and breeding ground for drain flies and cockroaches. You did not poison the habitat. You deleted it. Commercial sprays target individual insects. These mechanisms target the infrastructure that makes your home habitable for insects. Targeting infrastructure is always more devastatingly effective. Daily 60 seconds. Wipe countertops, sink, and stovetop with undiluted white vinegar. Destroys every pheromone trail laid that day. Do not skip on nights your kitchen looks clean. The trails that matter are invisible. Weekly 90 seconds. Pour 3 tablespoons baking soda and 3 tablespoons white vinegar into every drain. Flush with hot water for 30 seconds. Replace any bay leaves that have gone pale. Monthly 2 minutes. Repack baking soda at pipe entry gaps. Refresh salt barriers at every threshold. Replace all 12 bay leaves. Essential oil concentration drops every 30 days regardless of appearance. Annual cost: under $24 for most households. Compare that to $347 per year on commercial products that reset your problem every 6 weeks. That is $297 returned to your budget permanently every single year. A home is not a collection of surfaces to be cleaned. It is an environment to be maintained. Every spray you ever purchased missed that distinction entirely. Kankyō Seiri does not ask you to clean harder. It asks you to understand more deeply. When you shape the conditions, the problems do not develop. That truth works in every kitchen, every bathroom, and every entry point of every home in the world, including yours. Tonight you use what you already owned and permanently change the environmental conditions of your home. The bugs that return will find no trail, no food, no moisture, no safe corridor. They will not stay. Not because you fought them, because your home no longer speaks their language. If this changed how you think about your home, subscribe. Next, the Japanese method to permanently eliminate black mold from your bathroom grout. 2 ingredients, under $3. The home you maintain with understanding requires a fraction of the effort of the home you repair with force.